This is Whitney Ranch, one of the most desired neighborhoods in Henderson that offers modern amenities, family-friendly ambience, and a welcoming community spirit. Let's know all about it now. This is ideally located by the I-95 freeway of Henderson. Its close attractions are FLM Chocolate Factory, Galleria Mall, the Wild Horse Golf Course, Kawabanga Bay Water Park, Sunset Station Hotel and Casino, Henderson Bird Viewing Preserve, the new Silver Bowl Park, Sam Boyd Stadium, and Clark County Wetlands Park. With so many amenities, Whitney Ranch is the place to live. In reference to housing, Whitney Ranch offers diverse options to suit different budgets. This features well-maintained homes, modern townhouses, and spacious apartments. Due to the location of Whitney Ranch, many of these properties have stunning views of the strip. The real estate market in this area is stable and continuously growing, which is attractive for both first-time homebuyers and seasoned investors. Let's go back to the entertainment and visit the Whitney Ranch Recreation Center that is a community gem that has an ample variety of programs and activities for all ages. Its covered pool has several lanes, a small area for toddlers, a jacuzzi, and its outdoor recreational pool has a toboggan that delights all the family members. We also invite you to visit the Whitney Mesa BMX track that is a hit for those speed lovers. Group and private classes as well as tournaments are held here. At Whitney Mesa Nature Preserve, you can hike, walk, bike, or simply enjoy a relaxing picnic with your loved ones. From swimming pools to BMX tracks, Whitney Ranch is the hub of fun. Dining out in Whitney Ranch is a delectable experience. The best restaurants in this beautiful community are Gen Korean Barbecue, Rodizio Grill Nevada, Chile Caliente Restaurante and Bar, Greek Bistro, Chopstick, Michi Ramen, Trattoria Rustica, and all the restaurants at Sunset Casino are very good. When it comes to education, Whitney Ranch hosts renowned public and private schools such as American Heritage, Green Valley High School, Silver Sands Charter School, Green Valley Christian School, Montessori Academy, and of course, Thurman White Academy of the Performing Arts that is known for its excellent academic and extracurricular programs. As you can see, Whitney Ranch is a desired community neighborhood in Henderson that offers real estate stability and growth, great entertainment, dining out, education, and fun. When you are ready to make the move to Whitney Ranch, please do not hesitate to call us, and we will be glad to assist you with your new home. See you soon.